Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making a 10-minute green mango masala khatta mitha. Sweet, tangy, spicy and full of flavor. The best part is this recipe needs no oil and no sunlight. Let's start the recipe. Take 500 grams raw mango. Peel the mango. Raw mango pickles are popular during summer season. Raw mango contains vitamin C and antioxidants. Homemade pickles are fresher and preservative-free. Wash well. And grate it. Now squeeze out the excess water. Always squeeze excess water from the mango. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon Panchforon and 3 dry red chillies. Roast on low heat for about 1 minute while stirring continuously. Panchforon gives a unique Bengali style flavor. Roast spices on low heat for better aroma. Now transfer to a blender and grind into a flavorful spice mix. Now in a pan, add 1 cup sugar. Cook on low heat until lightly caramelized. Add the grated mango and mix well. Cook on low heat for about 7 to 8 minutes. Now add half teaspoon chili powder. Mix well. Do not overcook the mango mixture. Add half teaspoon kala namak or black salt. Add half teaspoon salt. Now add half of the blended masala and mix well. Sweet and spicy pickle are loved with rice and snacks. Using no oil, make this recipe lighter. Let the mixture cool completely. Now to the remaining masala, add 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix well. Grease your hands lightly and make small pickle balls. Cool completely before shaping. Coat with the masala mixture. This recipe needs no sunlight for preservation. Traditional spices helps enhance flavor naturally. Your delicious mango masala khatta mitha pickle is ready. Enjoy this sweet and tangy treat anytime. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Enoven Cake and Cookies for more easy homemade recipes.